Hello, this is Jason Chandler with the hashtag Go and Do YouTube channel. Just wanted to do like a mid-Europe trip update on the 511 Moab 6. I've got to say that I have absolutely loved to death this bag. It has been very comfortable. I've done some hiking in it. It has absolutely the perfect amount of space for the things that we've been doing. Right now we're on a train headed out of Krakow to Budapest, and it has just exactly the right amount of space for, you know, toiletries and things that I need inside. I've taken my change of clothes, and they're inside the big compartment now, along with, you know, deodorant and powder and things like that. So far so good. The bag has just been really actually way more comfortable than what I expected, and it's held up super good on the international flight. So that's the update on the bag. Like and subscribe to this channel, and we will go ahead and do another video where we will talk about how the whole trip went and give a little bit more feedback on the bag.